Understanding Sales Commission, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of sales commission. This is a key term in the world of business and finance, and understanding it can be very useful for English language learners. So, let's dive in and demystify this term together. Sales commission is a form of incentive-based pay that a company gives to its sales employees. It's a percentage of the sale amount or a fixed amount given for each sale made. This means that the more products or services a salesperson sells, the higher their earnings from commission will be. To understand this, let's take an example. Imagine a salesperson works for a company that sells smartphones. If the company offers a 5% commission and the salesperson sells a smartphone worth $1,000, they earn $50 as a commission. It's a way for companies to motivate their sales staff to sell more. There are various types of sales commission structures. The most common ones include 1. Straight commission. Earnings are solely based on sales. 2. Base salary plus commission. A fixed salary with additional commission. 3. Tiered commission. Higher commission rates after reaching certain sales targets. Understanding sales commission is crucial because it motivates sales employees to perform better, helps companies increase sales, allows employees to directly see the results of their efforts in their paychecks. And that's a wrap on sales commission. We hope this video has helped clarify what sales commission is and how it works. Whether you're stepping into the business world or just curious about financial terms, knowing about sales commission is definitely beneficial. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.